Hi, my name is Eric Perez Gonzalez. That's my report, my state report. Sorry, uh, it's called the official restoration program for the MYTHICAL for MUSTANG. Here's my name. Uh, my labor advisor and the academic advisor are the same person, the engineer Fernando Bautista Jimenez. So, introduction. The next report describes the carry out activities from September 29. I select the former company focusing in the performance area. Ford called his performance area for performance. So the main reason why I choose the Ford Mustang is because it's the best seller sport car in the world. Of course, one of the most popular this car which will come after the modifications with more than 800 horsepower. Since both hardware and software components will be modified, since in stock it generates 50 horsepower. I have to make the Mustang go from 502 horsepower to more than 800, even more than 900 maybe. So the Ford Mustang, born in 1967 in a collaboration with Carroll Shelby and Ford. This is the Mustang 1967 GT 500. It is based on the 1967 Mustang Fastback and is equipped with a 428 cubic inch or 7.0 liters V8 or V8 engine, sorry. Only 2048 were produced in 1967. It's a very rare car and it's very expensive. Um, 15 years later or more, uh, according currently the GT 500 over the hood, we find a supercharged 5.2 liter Predator V8 engine that offers you 760 horsepower in the 7,300 RPM range and generates a torque of 525 pounds-feet at 5,000 RPMs. The engine is made it to a 7-speed dual-clutch robotic transmission manufactured by Remy. This is the 2019 uh, Ford Mustang GT 500. There is the specification with 7,060 horsepower. Sorry. Objectives. Sorry for the error. The general objective: upgrade the powertrain, the engine of a 2008 Ford Mustang Shelby GT 500 to over 800 or even 900 horsepower. The specific objectives: increase fuel injection to the combustion chamber to the engine, reprogram the maps of the vehicle computer, the ECU, and reduce the diameter of the supercharger pulley or replace it, change the exhaust system, and improve the intake system, the cold air intake, as well as the throttle body. The company description: I select the former company, but this is an American company. But in Mexico, I select this location in CDMX or Ciudad de México. So, the activity 1. This activity is only change the injection system to a gas ethanol system with this part. This the this part is for the ethanol system with a tank, the injectors and voltage boost system or bobina, it's called in Spanish. the fuel rail. And next, the second activity is reprogram the EQ with an application. These are the parts with this cable, laptop, and the EMC titanium program. In this part, it is recommended to change the computer or use the same computer. The third activity, change the supercharger or only change the supercharger pulley. In this case, with a 2.4-inch pulley, change the throttle body and an air cooler for the supercharger. These are all the parts: the supercharger, the pulley, and the throttle body adapter, and the supercharger in the cooler. The fourth activity, modified all the exhaust system with downpipes, adapters, and a cutback. These are the parts: the cutback, the cutback, the adapter, and the downpipes. The activity 5. In this part, change the throttle body and put the cold layer intake system. Basic, obviously. These are the pictures: the throttle body and the cold layer intake. This part is on this part of here with the adapter. So the results. This video is a very similar Ford Mustang with all the equipments in this report. So, the conclusion, perspective of the work. This car is not for anyone. Since having more than 800 to the rear wheels, it's very easy to lose the control of this. If you are not careful with the gas pedal, although it's the nature of this type of cars. So, apart from make the fun of this, so you have to a lot of responsibility with this car. This is an example of the fame of the Mustangs. And next, the reference. These all the references that I search in the web to all the report. So that's all for my part. But espero le haya gustado, sea de su agrado, y le dejo de fondo esta hermosura que es el Mustang 2020. And bye.